One block Skyblock is a version of Minecraft Skyblock where you spawn with only one block. This is really fun to play and really easy to make with command blocks on Minecraft Bedrock Edition. First of all, you want to create a scoreboard with the name of level. To do this, type /scoreboard objectives add level dummy in chat. You then want to spawn yourself an armor stand, and I've named this level as well. You can use whatever name you want to for the armor stand and also for the scoreboard. However, you will have to customize the commands if you do that. So I would recommend you use level for both of them so that it's the same as it is in this tutorial. If you do customize it though, then you need to change it in all of the command blocks in the appropriate places. So this might look like a lot of commands, but a lot of them are just the same thing, so I'm only going to show you a few of them. It's just basically an example, and then you can customize it, add however many you want, and you can also add a lot more features to this as well. So for the first command block right here, this is going to be an execute. So it's /execute add e name equals level ~= detect 0750 air 0/scoreboard players add at S level 1. And this is basically adding a new level to the scoreboard every time there is air on the block. So what you want to do for your coordinates, for me I put 0750, but you want to put the coordinates of whatever your block is that you are using. Make sure you use your coordinates rather than mine, otherwise this won't work. The next command block is a chain command block. Make sure you have all the chain command blocks facing in the right way for this to be able to work. And they all need to be unconditional. So the first chain command block here is a /execute. It's /execute add e and then name equals level, score and then equals 0, and then ~= set block 0750 dirt. And this will set the block to dirt when the score is 0. The second chain command block here is /execute add e name equals level, score equals 0, ~= set block 0750 and then log 0, and this will set it to an oak log. Now the next few command blocks here are just the same thing for different numbers, for different blocks for you to be able to have, and you can customize it and add however many different blocks you want to as well. If you're doing this for an actual map, I would recommend you have multiple different dirt ones, multiple different stone and wood ones before you go on to anything else, so that people will have enough resources to be able to do what they need to do. And then if you want to add chests to it, I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'll also show how to add mobs as well. So the problem with chests is that if you just clone a chest, it will constantly repeat, and it will mean that you won't be able to open the chest because it's constantly cloning. So to get around this, what you want to do is do the following command. For me, I have this as the level 7, but you can have this at whatever level you want to as well. Just change the number for your level. So /execute add e name equals level, score equals level equals 7, and then tag equals and an ! clone. This means not clone. So for people that don't have the tag of clone, or in this case for the armor stand, it's then ~= /clone -1 75 35 -1 75 35 0750. So the coordinates for that is the coordinates of the chest over here that is being cloned over to 0750, which is the coordinates that I have my blocks at. So you need to make sure you have the coordinates for wherever your chests are going to be as well. And then the second command block here in these set of command blocks for the chest is going to also be an execute. It's /execute add e name equals level, score equals and then level 7. So this is going to be the scores of level 7, and then tag equals and not clone ~= /tag add s add clone, and this will add the tag of clone. So this just means that it won't execute the command block before it again because you have the tag of clone, or the armor stand has a tag of clone. And then the last command block here is just to remove that when you go to level 8. So this is /execute add e name equals level, scores equals level equals 8 ~= /tag add s remove and then clone. This is also pretty similar for mobs. So first of all, for the mob one, you do want to make sure you have a block, otherwise the mob will just fall to the ground once it does spawn. So this is just an execute add e name equals level, score equals and then level 8 ~= /set block the coordinates of your block, and then in this case I decided to go for grass, so it's just the same as for any other block. But then also for level 8 I have got the mob set up. So this is similar to the chest one. It's just an execute, and then it's at e name equals level, scores equals and then 8 tag equals not spawn, so ! spawn ~= and then /summon cow 0760. It's 76 because you want it to spawn on top of the block, otherwise it will fall through. So a block higher than your block of where your blocks are going to be. And then the second one here is to give the tag of spawn. So it's /execute and then at e and then name equals level, scores equals level equals 8, tag equals not spawn ~= /tag and then at S, add spawn, and then the final command block for this section here is going to be to remove that tag. So it's /execute, and then at E name equals levels, scores equals 9, because this is when you go to the 9th one, and then tilde /tag add S, remove, and then spawn. And this will basically, like the chest, just mean that it won't keep duplicating itself over and over again. Otherwise you'll have a bunch of cows spawning. And then if you want to make it so that once you've gone through all your levels, of course you can add way more levels. You can add more customizability, so you could have different containers, different mobs. You could have it also use particles and play sounds and fireworks when you hit certain levels, or you could do whatever you want to with this as well. It's completely customizable, but if you do want it to go around and basically repeat itself after you've done it, then you need to have the following command block. So whatever level is your last one, you want to have this as the command, but obviously replace why I have 10 with whatever number yours is. So this is a /execute at E name equals level, scores equals level equals 10, and then ... which will basically mean that it's 10 or anything greater than 10 as well, and then /scoreboard players set at E name equals level -1. This will set the level to -1, and then it will work again when it does go to 0. And then if you want to have this display as an action bar, you want to have a repeat command block, have it to always active, and then have this command: execute at E type equals armor stand, tell raw at A action bar, raw text, level, score, and then name at S objective level. And you want to make sure you have all the different brackets that you want as well for this to be able to work. And this will just basically make sure that the armor stand, which has the score attached to it, will display in your action bar. So then your action bar will be able to have the score, and it will say the level and then what level you are at, just so you can keep track of what level you are at on your map. And as you can see, this completely works. It's a really, really cool map. You can break it as fast as you want to, and it will still work for you. And you can customize or do whatever you want to make this as complicated or as simple as you want it to be. If you need any help or have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to know how to make a void world in Minecraft like the one I'm playing on right now, check out the video on screen. I'll see you right over at that video.